The Trump administration says Maine is in violation of Title IX, or at least how the Trump administration is interpreting Title IX. Now, that's a federal law designed to protect equal access in education and sports, regardless of gender. According to the Trump administration, by allowing trans girls or biological boys into biological girls' sports, those biological girls are losing that equal access. And this dispute surfaced after a Republican lawmaker posted about a trans athlete winning a girls' competition in Maine. That post went viral. President Trump then threatened to withhold education funding from Maine if the state didn't comply with his executive order and with his interpretation of Title IX. Maine does have a different interpretation that gender, not biological sex, determines who can compete. The Maine Civil Rights Act formalizes that. Governor Janet Mills has called the investigation by the Trump administration, quote, predetermined, and the issue is likely to end up in court.
Maine Senator Susan Collins is looking to clarify the varying interpretations of Title IX. CBS 13's Stephanie Grinley talked to her today, and Steph, she thinks the current language leaves too much room for interpretation.
That's right. This is personal for Senator Collins. She was just entering college at the time when Title IX was passed by Congress and signed into law in 1972. So when she was in high school, she didn't have the opportunity to play on a girls' sports team. She told me she got to watch this law change the game for young girls who wanted to compete, leveling the playing field in many ways. She doesn't believe Title IX ever envisioned biological males playing on girls' teams. But as it's written, she says it leaves the door open for interpretations we're seeing today.
That's just unfair and unsafe. Just this last weekend, I was in Portland watching the state high school basketball championship teams, which my hometown of Caribou won by 1 point, an incredibly exciting game. And I don't think that game would have been a fair one if there had been a biological male who identifies as transgender playing on either of the teams. I think it would have tilted the playing field in a really unfair way.
She supports clarifying the intent of Title IX, making it, quote, crystal clear that trans athletes should not be competing on girls' teams. In this Connect to Congress, Stephanie Grinley, Marissa.
A story we will continue to follow. Stephanie, thank you.